Okay, this is called the very, very simple climate model. So climate models can be very, very complicated, taking in lots of factors, or fairly simple, taking in very few factors. What I want to show you here is really how I go about first exploring something. I actually haven't learned how to use this yet. So the first thing I'll do is, I know it's this model. I'm exploring how the rate of carbon dioxide emissions affect the amount of CO2 in the atmosphere, and how they affect Earth's climate. And it looks like I can also do something else with more detailed instructions, so I'll ignore that for now. Just start at the beginning. Okay, so what I would do now is, or maybe I'll look at instructions. I can step forward. I'm never very good at looking at instructions. I always just like to explore for myself before reading the instructions. Sometimes instructions don't make sense to me until I've explored a bit. Start over. Okay, so I'm not going to pay too much attention. Let's see, what can I do here? What's this thing here? What's this thing? This is temperature. So let's see, if I make my carbon dioxide emissions, it looks like I can slide this and make this like really high. Okay, and time step size. I think that has to do with what's going on the graph at the bottom. Like if I make it every 1 year, it's going to take a measurement every 1 year. But if I make it every 5 years, it'll take a measurement every 5 years. That's what I'm guessing. And I want to show CO2 emission rates. Well, I kind of know that because I said it's 24 gigatons per year, so I'm not too bothered about that. I'd like to see what the CO2 concentration is like in the air, because maybe it's getting absorbed by all the trees and forests. Okay. So Celsius is fine. I don't really know about these things yet. So I'm just going to say play, I guess. Is anything happening? Oh yeah, look. Okay, so this is showing me the CO2 concentration in the. Is it going to keep on going up? Will it level off? Looks like it's going to keep on up. Okay, I'm going to pause it. I guess I could look at temperature, like has that affected it? Oh, the temperature's like shot up. Okay. Anything else I can change? So obviously I can change this and this. Highest temperature. Show warming limit targets. Okay, maybe now I might read on a bit. So, new features, so temperature limit. What many scientists think we should not. Okay, so where's that warning limit? We shouldn't go past it. Let's play this. Show warming. Maybe I should show the temperature. Oh, there's the temperature limit. Okay. So I've gone past them for sure. Okay, some of the things I'm probably doing now would be to go back and look at the instructions, and I might change the settings on here. I could change this removal of. This would be like how much coral reefs or forests are taking up carbon. So if I increase my forests, maybe that might make a difference to what happens. And I'm not sure, atmospheric fraction. This is how much carbon actually stays in the atmosphere rather than getting back into life forms again. So these two are linked. And sensitivity, how much the temperature rises when the carbon dioxide level doubles. So this would depend on, probably different researchers have different ideas about this. So I hope you can see, and this is these 4 minutes of me kind of exploring this, that I don't always know what it is I'm kind of exploring at the beginning. The whole point of an exploration is that you're trying to find out how something works. It's like when you play a new computer game, you don't always know what every click does, what every part does. Okay, so So have an explore and have fun with it.